Hey everyone, Kristen here. I want to help you make using your Instant Pot less complicated. And today I'm going to share with you what all the buttons or functions mean on your Instant Pot. Spoiler alert, most of them are useless. At first glance, it looks like your Instant Pot came knowing how to cook everything. There's a button for poultry, there's a button for chili, there's a button for beans, there's a button for porridge. Heck, some of you even have a button for cake. Well, I'm here to tell you, those buttons don't really work. Your Instant Pot doesn't know if you're cooking chicken thighs or a whole chicken. So if you hit poultry and walk away, chances are your food's gonna be overcooked, undercooked, or dried out and ruined. Well, I don't want that to happen. You're going to mainly use the manual or pressure cook and control the time and temperature yourself and lead to perfect results. And I'm gonna walk you through the buttons you need to use today. I have a 6-quart Instant Pot Duo and an 8-quart Instant Pot Duo. Regardless of your model, most of the functions are going to be the same and adjusted in the same way. The only thing that I recommend is if you would like to make yogurt in your Instant Pot, make sure that you purchase an Instant Pot with a yogurt button. Anything else, those extra frills like cake or porridge, you don't need to worry about those. You're never going to use them anyway. So let me break down the most important functions for using your Instant Pot. To set the cooking time on a 6-quart, you're going to hit manual and make sure that high pressure is selected. If not, hit pressure to change between low pressure and high pressure. Remember, high pressure is the most often used. Plus or minus buttons to change the cooking time. For the 8-quart Instant Pot Duo, to set pressure, you're going to hit pressure cook, and you want to make sure that high pressure is selected. If not, hit pressure level to change between low and high pressure. And then you just use the plus or minus buttons to adjust until the appropriate cooking time is selected. After pressure cooking, your Instant Pot will delay to keep warm. To turn that off, just hit keep warm. To delay the time on an 8-quart, hit pressure cook, set your cooking time, and then hit delay start and change the hours to how many hours you want it to delay. To delay time on a 6-quart Instant Pot, hit manual and then set your cooking time, hit timer, and use the plus or minus buttons to adjust how many hours you want it delayed. To use the saute function on any model, make sure your lid is off, hit saute, and you can change the heat of the saute by simply hitting saute until low, normal, or high is lit up. Give it a couple minutes to heat up, and then you can saute anything you'd like in your Instant Pot. The other button on your Instant Pot you may be wondering about is the slow cook function. Unfortunately, the slow cooker function on an Instant Pot does not work like a traditional crock pot. So if you have space in your kitchen for both, I highly recommend using a crock pot for crock pot recipes and your Instant Pot for Instant Pot recipes. If you have limited space and need to use just one appliance, be sure to check out my video where I share with you how to use your Instant Pot as a slow cooker. It's not apples to apples, unfortunately. That's it. It's not as complicated or overwhelming as it looks when you first glance at your Instant Pot. Now you're ready to start cooking. And so I want to share with you my top 5 Instant Pot recipes that'll make you look like an Instant Pot pro. Until next time, happy cooking.